Have you ever wondered about the history of the iconic Airstream trailers? In the late 1920s, an ambitious gentleman named Wally Byam brought his vision to life, creating the American brand that would go on to revolutionize the concept of travel trailers. Airstream, as it was christened, soon became synonymous with quality, design, and most importantly, a unique travel experience. The distinctive rounded and polished aluminum coachwork of the Airstream trailers was a sight to behold. These trailers were not just vehicles, they were a statement, a testament to the spirit of adventure and the pursuit of the American dream. As we journey back to the 1930s, we see the introduction of these gleaming travel trailers. The year was 1936, a time of economic hardship when the world was grappling with the aftermath of the Great Depression. Yet, amidst the despair and gloom, Airstream emerged, resilient and shining, becoming the sole survivor of the Depression-era travel trailer industry. What was it about Airstream that set it apart? Was it the sleek design, the polished aluminum, or perhaps the spirit of freedom it embodied? Whatever it was, Airstream had captured the imagination of the people and was on a steady path to becoming an icon. But as with any journey, there were bumps along the way. The world was soon plunged into another crisis. World War II. Travel became a luxury few could afford, and an aluminum shortage dealt a further blow to the industry. The production of Airstream trailers came to a sudden halt, and then World War II arrived, bringing a halt to the thriving industry. But remember, this is the story of Airstream, a story of resilience and reinvention. So, stay tuned as we navigate through the post-war resurgence of this iconic brand. The end of World War II signaled a new beginning for Airstream. As the world began to heal from the ravages of war, a sense of normalcy returned. People began to yearn for adventure and exploration once again, and travel was no longer a luxury. It was a necessity. Airstream, with its distinctive rounded and polished aluminum coachwork, was ready to meet this demand. In 1948, Airstream resumed production, bouncing back with a renewed vigor and vision. The company's founder, Wally Byam, was driven by a dream of creating a travel trailer that would move like a stream of air, hence the name Airstream. He believed in the freedom and joy of travel, and his trailers were designed to be a home away from home, providing comfort and convenience on the open road. Just 4 years after resuming production, in 1952, Airstream expanded its operations, establishing a brand new facility in Ohio. This wasn't just a factory. It was a testament to the company's resilience and commitment to quality. Here, each Airstream trailer was meticulously crafted, embodying the spirit of adventure that Wally Byam envisioned. The post-war period marked a resurgence for Airstream, fueled by the growing American fascination with road trips and camping. The company's trailers, with their unique design and superior comfort, became a symbol of the freedom and adventure that travel promised. They were more than just trailers. They were a way of life. But the journey of Airstream was far from over. The 1970s and beyond were a time of expansion and innovation for Airstream. The growing love for the open road in America led to the introduction of Class A motorhomes, starting with the Argosy in 1974. This was a game changer, ladies and gentlemen. Airstream wasn't just about travel trailers anymore. It was about providing a full-fledged mobile home experience. The Argosy, with its painted exterior and compact design, was a hit. But Airstream didn't stop there. The company continued to innovate, introducing Class B motorhomes to the market. These were smaller, more agile vehicles, yet they still offered the comfort and convenience that Airstream was known for. But as with all stories of success, there were setbacks. In 2006, Airstream made the tough decision to discontinue the production of Class A motorhomes. It was a bold move, but it allowed the company to focus on what it did best, crafting exceptional travel trailers and Class B motorhomes. Then, in 2016, Airstream took another significant step forward. The company acquired Nest Caravans, a young startup known for its modern, minimalist travel trailers. This acquisition allowed Airstream to expand its product range and cater to a new generation of travelers. And the innovation didn't stop with Nest. Airstream also expanded its production in Ohio, ensuring that the company could meet the growing demand for its iconic trailers. This move further cemented Airstream's position as a leading player in the travel trailer industry. So, you see, despite the challenges and changes, Airstream never lost its pioneering spirit. It continued to push boundaries, to innovate, and to expand. And that's why even today, when you see an Airstream trailer on the open road, you know you're looking at a piece of American history. Airstream was not just surviving, it was thriving. Airstream's influence extended beyond the open road, reaching even the stars. Indeed, the company's legacy was not limited to the highways and byways of America. It transcended terrestrial boundaries, venturing into the realm of space exploration. Airstream trailers played a pivotal role in the Apollo 11, 12, and 14 missions, serving as mobile quarantine facilities. This was a crucial task, ensuring the safety of the astronauts and preventing any potential lunar pathogens from reaching Earth. The trailers were specially equipped and modified for this purpose, proving once more the versatility and adaptability of the Airstream design. But the Airstream story didn't stop there. The brand's popularity spread across the ocean, cementing its status in European markets. The distinctive rounded and polished aluminum coachwork design became a symbol of freedom and adventure, resonating with individuals seeking to explore the world in style and comfort. Back in the United States, the Airstream fervor led to the establishment of dedicated Airstream parks. These parks, scattered throughout the country, became a testament to the enduring appeal of Airstream trailers. They served as hubs for the Airstream community, where enthusiasts could connect, share their travel stories, and revel in the mutual admiration for these iconic trailers. And let's not forget the Wally Byam Caravan Club International, formed in the mid-50s. This club continues to organize RV caravans and rallies, fostering a sense of community among Airstream owners and admirers. It's a celebration of the spirit of wanderlust that the Airstream brand embodies. From the highways to the stars, from America to Europe, Airstream's influence has been profound and far-reaching. Its journey, much like that of the adventurous souls who embrace it, is marked by a relentless pursuit of exploration and innovation. Airstream had truly become an icon. Today, Airstream is more than just a brand of travel trailers. It's an embodiment of the spirit of adventure and the allure of the open road. A testament to this is the formation of the Wally Byam Caravan Club International, or WBCCI, in 1955, a dedicated community that continues to keep the Airstream spirit alive. Named after Airstream's founder, the WBCCI came into existence as a way for Airstream owners to share their love for travel and exploration. Over the years, it has grown into a vibrant community, organizing RV caravans and rallies that span the globe, serving as a testament to Wally Byam's vision of a world where man could travel and live in comfort. The Airstream's enduring popularity isn't just confined to the United States. Its rounded, polished aluminum coachwork is recognized and adored worldwide, proving that the appeal of Airstream goes beyond borders. This iconic status is further cemented by the fact that Airstream trailers were used as mobile quarantine facilities for the Apollo 11, 12, and 14 missions, a nod to the brand's reliability and innovative design. Airstream's legacy is not merely in the beautiful trailers it produces or the company's remarkable history. It's in the countless memories created by families on road trips, the friendships formed in WBCCI rallies, and the sense of freedom and adventure that comes with owning an Airstream. It's in the way Airstream has shaped the way we view travel, transforming it from a simple journey to a lifestyle. From its humble beginnings to its iconic status today, Airstream has truly left a lasting legacy on the open road.